Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome to Interior Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home decor ideas. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave, comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family today. We are heading downstairs to tackle one of the most overlooked spaces in the house, the basement laundry room. For many of us, the basement laundry area feels like a dark, damp, and strictly utilitarian dungeon that we want to escape as quickly as possible. But what if I told you that with the right design, this space could become your favorite corner of the home? In this video, we're going to explore what basement laundry design really means, why it's a game changer for your lifestyle, and how you can style it to look like it belongs in a luxury magazine. When we talk about basement laundry room design, we aren't just talking about where you plug in your washer and dryer. It is the intentional process of planning and organizing a subterranean space to handle clothing care efficiently while maintaining a cohesive aesthetic with the rest of your home. Because basements often deal with unique challenges like low natural light, exposed pipes, and concrete floors. The design aspect involves creative solutions for lighting, moisture control, and spatial flow. It is about transforming a utility corner into a dedicated work zone that balances heavy-duty functionality with visual comfort, ensuring that the environment feels intentional rather than accidental. Investing time into a proper basement laundry design offers a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond just having a place to wash clothes. First and foremost, moving the laundry to the basement frees up valuable square footage on your main living floors, allowing for larger kitchens or extra closet space. A well-designed basement setup also acts as a sound barrier. Those noisy spin cycles stay tucked away downstairs, keeping your living areas peaceful. Furthermore, because basements usually have more raw space than a tiny main floor mudroom, a custom design allows you to incorporate bonus features like oversized folding stations, drying racks for delicates, and even a craft corner or gift wrapping station. Most importantly, a beautiful design shifts your mindset when a space is bright, organized, and stylish. The chore of laundry feels significantly less like a burden and more like a productive retreat. Decorating a basement laundry room requires a strategic approach to overcome the lack of sunlight and the industrial feel of the space. The most effective way to make it look good is to start with a light and bright philosophy. Use high gloss paint in shades of soft white cream or pale blue to reflect what little light you have. And layer your lighting with recessed ceiling cans, under cabinet LEDs, and perhaps a stylish flush mount fixture for personality to hide the ugly parts of a basement. Consider installing floor-to-ceiling cabinetry or simple tension rod curtains to mask water heaters and pipes. Adding a backsplash of subway tile or patterned P-Lan stick vinyl can instantly elevate the room's sophistication. Don't forget the warmth factor. Incorporate natural wood textures through butcher block countertops or floating shelves. And place a durable, water-resistant runner rug on the floor to soften the cold concrete. Finally, use decorative glass jars for detergent and stylish wicker baskets for sorting to keep the clutter contained and visually appealing. Choosing the right style can help ground the room and give it a clear identity. The modern farmhouse style is incredibly popular for basements because it uses white walls and black accents to create a crisp, clean look that feels cozy rather than clinical. If you prefer something more streamlined, the industrial chic style embraces the basement's natural state by leaving brick or pipes exposed, but painting them in uniform colors like charcoal or matte black, paired with reclaimed wood shelving. For those with smaller footprints, a minimalist Scandinavian approach works wonders. That focuses on blonde woods, hidden storage, and a neutral palette that makes the room feel airy and much larger than it actually is. Lastly, if you want to have a bit of fun, the laundry room is the perfect place for a bold transitional style since it's tucked away. You can experiment with vibrant wallpaper or colorful cabinetry that you might be too intimidated to use. In your main living room, designing your basement laundry room is an investment in your home's value and your own daily sanity. By moving past the idea of the basement as a storage locker and seeing it as a canvas for design, you can create a space that is as beautiful as it is hardworking. Remember, the best design is one that works for your specific needs. Whether that means extra hanging space for gym clothes or a built-in dog wash station. With the right lighting, a splash of color, and smart storage, your basement will no longer be the place you dread visiting, but a highlight of your interior decor. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home transformation inspiration. We want to hear from you. What is the one thing your laundry room is missing? Bit more counter space, better lighting, or maybe just a bit of style? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to click the notification bell so you never miss an episode of our home design series. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.